In this video, we're diving into the latest changes in CapCut. As many of you may have noticed, CapCut recently moved several of its previously free features behind a Pro subscription. This change has made it difficult for creators who rely on these tools without wanting to commit to a paid plan. But don't worry, I found a way around it, and I've been using CapCut Pro with all the premium features unlocked without paying a cent. I want you to stick around because in today's video, I'll walk you through exactly how I did it, step by step. No subscriptions, no sketchy hacks, just a simple trick that actually works. Let's get started. Now, open your preferred browser and search for CapCut PC older version. Click on the first link that appears. You'll see a list of various CapCut versions, but we're specifically going for version 3.6.0 or version 4.0.0. These two versions work perfectly, so go ahead and download one of them. I've already downloaded the versions, so I won't be downloading them again in this video. Once your download is complete, don't skip ahead. Pay close attention to the next part, it's very important for your own good. The first thing you need to do is completely uninstall the CapCut version you're currently using, whether it's new or old, before installing the older version you just downloaded. Make sure to turn off your internet connection. To do this, move your mouse to the right side of the taskbar, find the Wi-Fi icon, left-click on it, and disable your internet. Now, go ahead and install the older version of CapCut that you downloaded. During installation, you might see an environment testing window. Just click the X icon to close it. This will automatically launch CapCut. As you can see, there's no Join Pro button, just a sign in option. Do not sign in or create an account. Just ignore it. Let's now create a project and test whether the Pro features are available. Once inside CapCut, turn your internet connection back on. This is amazing, guys. All the features here are completely free, from text to auto captions. Stickers, effects, transitions, filters, everything is unlocked and usable without a Pro subscription. But again, don't skip the video just yet. Now that your internet is back on, download all the features you'll need for your video editing. As soon as you're done downloading them, turn off your internet connection again and start creating your video. Let me quickly show you a preview using version 3.6.0. As you can see, there are no premium restrictions. All features are available and free to use. Before you go, just hear me out. If you want to keep using CapCut Pro for free, for a lifetime, follow these tips. 1. Always turn off your internet connection before launching CapCut. 2. Once you're in the editing dashboard, turn it back on to access and download the features you need. 3. After downloading, turn your internet off again and continue editing. With these tricks and hacks, you can enjoy CapCut Pro features for free, forever. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, click the like button, share this video to help more people, and don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching.